The college authorities, teachers, students and staff of Kyang Nangba Government College organized a program on Wednesday to celebrate the Grade B accreditation given to the college by National Assessment and Accreditation Council (NAAC). Education Minister Shri Lakman Rumboi attended the function as the chief guest. Deputy Commissioner, who is also the Chairman and Advisory Committee of the College, Shri Garrett LNS Dykes, Deputy Director Dr. B.D. Kaji and Deputy Director E.K. Maukyu of DHTE, Dr. S.R. Lindem RUSA consultant were also present. It may be mentioned that the NAAC team had visited Kyang Nangba Government College, Jowai, on the 15 and 16 November 2021. The team consists of Ashutosh Ghosh, Chairman, Professor Mohammed Arif, Member Coordinator, and Dr. Ajay Bhamare, Member. The grading has been awarded based on the findings by the NAAC team who had visited the college for first cycle inspection and assessment. Speaking at the function, Shri Lakman Rumboi congratulated the entire college for their hard work and for being the first government to be accredited by NAAC. He said the accreditation will inspire the other government colleges to excel and do better. He added that the accreditation will also add significant value to the college and this will imbibe positive reception in the teachers and the students to maintain the standard of the college and to work with the same spirit in the forthcoming years. Principal of the college, Dr. E.M. Bala, in her welcome address, expressed her appreciation and thanked the Education Minister for the tremendous effort extended throughout the process. Srimati S.M.F. Bala chaired the program as well as proposed the vote of thanks.
We know that on 13 and 14 of this month, if I'm not mistaken, Sora College, the peer team will visit for its NAAC accreditation. We don't know what it is the result, but I'm sure that whatever happening in Kyang Nangba College will inspire Sora College, will inspire Tura Government College, will inspire other government institutions. If you could do it, why not us? Why not me? So that spirit, because sometimes as the government institution, we have so many issues as a government institution. We always, because the government, we always have something to blame, but we never take responsibility. So the time we have to act, and the time is to act now. And we know that this new education policy of the government of India, we know that the state education policy which we have tried, it is duty bound on itself to see that is what is needed to do its duty. Different departments have their own duty to fulfill its obligation. Kyang Nangba College, the name may be one, but we have different departments. We have to treat different departments as different colleges. Then only we could succeed in the days to come. If we leave all the responsibility to the principal, if we leave all the responsibility to the IQAC coordinator, it will be very, very difficult. Because this is just the beginning. Every year, you have to submit your annual quality assessment expert. So until and unless different departments treat themselves